What are you doing?
I'm looking.
Oh.
And it's... what the... maybe I could... aha, this button, right.
Don't tell me that our relationship has to come down to this.
Oh, big Timmy.
Together in the next 60 minutes. Yes. I'll be back for your answer when the church bell strikes 12.
Who's that?
Timmy's Spider-Man.
Really?
Yeah, he's Timmy's bad.
Is he a bad guy?
Mm-hmm.
Really? Okay. You like working on the computer?
Yeah.
Do ya? Lots of good pictures, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You know how to Google already, don't you? How old are you, Billy?
4.
Oh, boy.
Look.
Oh, ugly, huh?
That's a Spider-Man. See?
Yeah, I see.
He's a good Spider-Man.
Bye.
Bye.